This is a quick public announcement for those who own a CMI garden shredder. Mine was sold by Obi Home Improvement Center quite a few years ago. Recently it broke, it wasn't cutting up the branches anymore. As it turns out, the aluminium casting baffle plate broke and it was not pushing the branches against the cutting wheel anymore. Since this is a long discontinued model, Obi wasn't really helpful with replacement parts. A couple of weeks later I found a component diagram of a shredder from Einhell which looked very similar in construction. I ordered the Einhell part and it fits. As you can see, the two are identical in dimensions. There are more ribs in the Einhell part, so it will hopefully be stronger. There are some rubber O-rings on the original part which I put to the new part. You remove the 4 screws on the front to remove the front of the housing, but there is a catch. There is an additional screw on the bottom which you can only get to if you disassemble pretty much the entire machine. I did that on the first time and never put that screw back. Once the front plate is removed, you unscrew the adjustment knob to get the nut which is inside out, slide the baffle plate with the nut into its position. Since you have the machine open, it is a good idea to oil all the moving parts. Put the front plate on, use something thin to guide the pin on the baffle plate to its recess hole in the casting, and then tighten the screws. It works like a charm, just like when it was new. I have a big pile which needs cutting, so I better start working. Thanks for watching.